Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Analytics 4 for monetization. Complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Google Analytics 4 for monetization, begin by signing into your Google Analytics account. If you do not have an account, create one by navigating to analytics.google.com. Once logged in, locate the property you want to use for monetization. If necessary, create a new property by clicking on the admin gear icon. In the Property column, select Create Property. Follow the prompts to set up your new property, including entering your website's name and URL. After creating the property, navigate to the Data Streams section under the Property settings. Click on Add Stream and select Web if you want to track a website. Enter your website URL and set a name for the data stream. Once the stream is set up, you will be given a measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID, as you will need it for further steps. Next, integrate the measurement ID into your website. For most website builders, you can do this by accessing the Settings or Tracking section. If you're using a CMS like WordPress, consider using a plugin for Google Analytics integration. Install and activate the plugin, then navigate to its settings to input your measurement ID. Once the ID is configured, save your changes. Next, return to Google Analytics and confirm that data is being collected. Go to the Real-Time section to see live data coming from your website. To authenticate for monetization, you'll need to link your Google Analytics 4 property with Google Ads. Navigate to the Admin section again and click on Google Ads linking in the Property column. Select the Google Ads account you want to link and click Continue. Configure your linking settings and click Next, then ensure your targeting is aligned with the analytics data you're collecting. Finally, monitor your performance through Google Analytics and adjust your strategies as needed. With everything set up, you are now ready to leverage Google Analytics 4 for effective monetization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.